Water teaches us an important lesson. It does not resist. It adapts. It does not break. It flows. And through gentle movement, it has the power to cleanse, heal, and renew life. Water element level 2 in Shinsei Taiso. It is designed to bring the same quality of flow into your body, mind, and emotions. After establishing stability through the earth element, water element training helps you move forward with softness, flexibility, and emotional balance. And this level introduces gentle flowing movements, rotations, stretching, and breath-guided practices that encourage circulation, release stagnation, and restore natural rhythm within the body. On a physical level, water element training improves flexibility, joint mobility, and fluid movement. Many people experience stiffness, tight muscles, and restricted movements due to stress, poor posture, or a lack of mindful exercises. So, water practices gently loosen these restrictions without force. The movements stimulate circulation, support lymphatic flow, and hydrate the tissues from within. The spine, hips, shoulders, the joints begin to move more freely. As the body becomes softer and more responsive, pain reduces and vitality increases. In a mental level, water element practices help calm a rigid or overloaded mind. When the mind becomes stuck in repetitive thoughts, worry, or pressure, water-based movement and breathing create space and ease. Emotional level, water element level 2 plays a powerful role in emotional detox and release. Emotions such as fear, sadness, and suppressed feelings are often stored in the body, especially in the abdomen and chest levels. So water element practices help release these stored emotions gently and safely. There is no forcing, no relieving trauma, only allowing emotions to move and pass. So over time, emotional resilience grows. You feel lighter, calmer, and more emotionally balanced. Why water element practices are essential? Water element teaches you how to flow with life instead of fighting it. It prepares you for deeper transformation while restoring flexibility in body and mind. Without flow, energy becomes stagnant. With the flow, healing becomes natural. So, water element training reminds us when the body flows, the mind softens. When the mind softens, emotions heals. This is the gift of Shinsei Taiso, water element level